In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to remove Vivint Doorbell camera. Before you start, make sure your doorbell isn't getting any power. Switch it off from the circuit breaker or the power supply connected to your Vivint system. This step is important for safety. Once the power's off, look at the bottom of your doorbell camera and find the small screw. You'll need a Torx or a small Phillips screwdriver to loosen it. Don't remove it completely. Just loosen it enough so the camera can slide upward. Next, hold the camera firmly with one hand and gently push it upward. It should lift off the mounting bracket with a little pressure. Once it's free, you'll see two small wires connected to the back. Carefully unplug these wires. You can do this by pulling on the plastic connector ends, not the wires themselves, to avoid damage. After that, set the camera aside somewhere safe. If you plan to reinstall or replace it later, keep the bracket and screws in a small bag so you don't lose them. The whole process should take about 10 to 15 minutes and doesn't require any special tools or technical skills. So that's all. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.